everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to activate ScotiaBankAccount.com credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in the URL for Scotia Bank, that is scotiabank.com, and press enter. Scotia Bank credit card is a type of a credit card issued by Scotia Bank. The card offers various perks such as cashback, reward points, travel benefits, and so much more. In order to access your credit card features, you'll first need to activate a credit card online. So, in order to do that, from the main homepage, click on the Sign In button at the top right. Log into your Scotia Bank online banking account by entering a username or your card number. Enter the correct password on the next field. If you'd like the system to remember your username or card number, check this little box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device for your security, and then finally click on the Sign In button. If you're having trouble remembering your credentials, click on Need Help Signing In and follow the prompts. After signing into your Scotia Bank account, go to the Credit Cards tab and click Activate. Enter your credit card's information as it asks you in the process, and you'll be able to activate your Scotia Bank credit card. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.